myself. I play as the fidget spinner.
No,
Just
you
kidding.
don't.
I want to put that in. I'm going to put that over there. So, I play as one of the main characters. Let's start with the least main character of this set. Mike the Knight. Yeah. He's also going to be in the whatever. So I play as Mike the Knight. Backstory. His face is green right now. Explains it in the movie of him, but I'm not uploading that to YouTube. Okay. The villain of the first one. His name is Monkey J. Okay. Oh yeah, and he turns into the raccoon. So we got Monkey J in raccoon form, and we have Monkey J in monkey form.
That's a little bit of a spoiler alert for the raccoon guy. I mean the monkey.
Yeah, spoiler.
If you haven't seen the
Second one.
no.
The second one hasn't come out. If you haven't seen
The first
one,
watch it now before you watch this video.
and you might, if you heard what the cameraman's voice is, you might know who's behind there. You might know. Okay.
You'll see later on.
You'll see. And the guy. One of the main characters of the Patrick Fidget Spinner series. So, doesn't really have a backstory. So, we're going to go over to my brother, who he plays as. Over here.
So I play as the clown in the first movie. He takes Ender guy and Patrick gets him back. He dies in the movie. And then second I play as the
First of all, this is a spoiler for the second movie.
Just so you guys know. So skip this part if you don't want to see spoilers.
I play as the skeleton.
Skeleton Guy is his name. He's the cousin of Ender Guy. So let's go over. This gives you a hint. Who's the cameraman? Here. So this is Mr. Bossburger's brother. He came over here just for a special occasion so we could do something with it. So Cole, who are you playing as?
This ice giant.
So this is the Ice Lord, also the name known as the Ice King.
Cole,
So
do the voice for the guy. Whatever the guy his name is, his voice.
I don't want to do it.
Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Because
Okay, so
Aiden have a dog.
whatever. So this guy is actually two people. In the first one, he's the Ice King, and in the and the second one, I think he's the Ice Lord. I might have got those mixed up.
A twin and a
So
twin.
I'm gonna take the
That's
camera.
another spoiler, just so you know. We're sorry for you. Here.
So I'm gonna give you guys. I want to show you who plays as Patrick and why. I told you guys in the comments. I'm posting Patrick Fidget Spinner number 2 on someone's birthday. The voice actor for Patrick, and you're gonna know who the voice actor is right now. He's one of my greatest friends. Okay. Okay. He also plays as Mike the Knight a little bit. It's your one and only
Mr. Bossburger. Yeah.
So, as you can hear it, his birthday is November 16th. So, that's why I'm posting it. Okay, so pay attention.
So, the guy that I play as is Mike the Knight with my sexy hair.
Yeah, that's
He's
a
in the
little,
pa-
that's
he's
a
in
little spoiler.
Yeah, this guy is mostly in the Patrick Fidget Spinner 2 that we made like a long time ago.
that's a spoiler.
We did these Patrick Fidget Spinners way before we did YouTube.
Yeah, I kind of told them that.
Oh, you did?
I think. Comment down below if I already told you that.
Okay. So, yeah, I do Mike the Knight, this guy, I don't think I put a voice really into him.
You just
Yes.
like, yeah.
Yeah,
Into the dimension.
I was like, I think I was like,
This is another, wait,
I'm so scared.
Guys,
I think that
is
Isn't
another spoiler for the movie, for the
guys,
second movie.
just so you know, the second movie is really epic at the end. There's like a lot of things, but I'm not going to tell you because that's basically another
And Peyton's
spoiler.
really weird in the movie.
On one scene.
Not one scene, multiple.
One. But,
No.
and the one
Join
and
in,
only
Barney.
Patrick.
Where's his video?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Patrick, and I just want to say, smash that like button, subscribe to Mr. Bossburger and Mickle the Pickle, and yeah.
Patrick, turn your
And don't
face.
forget to subscribe to other people. It's nice. Hey guys, we got one more subscriber. We get a house tour. I mean, you guys get a house tour.
And Patrick, where's your face bill?
Subscribe to me as well.
Oh, wait, no,
because
wait.
I need those subs.
What if
Not
Patrick
really
made
though,
it?
but
Let's ask Patrick. What's your favorite food, Patrick?
Krabby Patties. That's what I really like. Sometimes they're just so delicious.
Guys, I want to tell you. So, we do not live in New York, but this movie takes place in New York. Another spoiler from the second one.
We don't go to New York.
Oh, wait! I played one more other guy.
Who? Who?
SpongeBob.
Ah.
Yeah, so we also play as SpongeBob, who, spoiler, dies and, yeah.
Yeah, he dies.
Rest in peace.
SpongeBob dies.
So, guys, on my other video...
Some spoilers.
Yeah, okay.
You did like
No more
10
spoilers! So, guys, just so you know, this is not a spoiler. This is an idea. Give us an idea. Should we make our third Patrick Fidget Spinner?
Comment down below.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
You guys are liking the first one, I know. That.
Yeah. About like 19 people. So it's not even that much stuff. But
Great support. Subscribe to his channel. And check out
Mr.
the live
Bossburger.
stream we did.
It's
yesterday.
Mr. Bossburger. Yeah, I did a live stream on my channel.
With me.
It's really cool. We did a Tabasco clog
He
challenge.
did like 10.
10 drops. It literally, if you think I was a wussy, I did not do it because of the spice. It's actually because taste. You can barely taste anything. It tastes like
It tastes horrible.
smushed potatoes and like lettuce and barf.
I lost.
Yeah, Mickle lost, and then I was like, I'm a pro, and I just.
And he gave me the camera.
Minion.
Can I see it?
So there's. God, Aiden. No one wants to see a corny minion. Do you guys want to see a corny minion? I don't know. Oh, and guys, comment down.
Oh,
You guys got. Yeah, boys. God. Chris.